Is ClickUp an AI tool? It's a question that's been popping up more and more lately. With AI taking the world by storm, it's only natural to wonder if your favorite productivity platform is keeping up. Let's dive in and find out. First things first, what is ClickUp? For those of you living under a rock, ClickUp is a project management tool that's been gaining massive popularity for its versatility. It's not just for project managers. It's a hub for teams to collaborate, set goals, track progress, and ultimately, get stuff done. But is it an AI tool? Well, the short answer is not entirely. ClickUp isn't built from the ground up as an AI platform like ChatGPT or Bard. However, it's definitely leaning into the AI revolution. Let's talk about ClickUp AI. It's a suite of AI-powered features designed to supercharge your productivity within the platform. Imagine having an AI assistant right there to help you write tasks, generate ideas, and even summarize meeting notes. That's essentially what ClickUp AI offers. So, ClickUp itself isn't an AI tool, but it's integrating AI capabilities to enhance its functionality. It's like adding a turbocharger to a car. It doesn't change the car's core function, but it significantly boosts its performance. But what does this mean for you? How can you leverage ClickUp AI to make your life easier? Let's break it down. One of the most exciting features is the AI-powered writing assistant. Struggling to write a clear task description? No problem. ClickUp AI can help you craft the perfect task in seconds. Need to brainstorm ideas for a new project? Let AI generate some options for you. It's like having a writing partner who's always there to help. Then there's the meeting assistant. AI can automatically generate summaries of your meetings, saving you time and ensuring you don't miss any important details. It's like having a personal secretary who attends your meetings and takes notes for you. But it's not just about writing and meetings. ClickUp AI can also help you prioritize tasks, set goals, and even track your progress. It's like having a personal productivity coach who's always there to keep you on track. So, while ClickUp isn't an AI tool in the traditional sense, it's definitely embracing AI to become a more powerful and efficient productivity platform. It's a tool that's evolving with the times, and it's definitely worth checking out if you're looking to streamline your workflow. However, it's important to remember that AI is still in its early stages. While ClickUp AI is impressive, it's not perfect. You might find that it doesn't always generate the desired output, or that it takes some time to get used to the interface. But as AI technology continues to develop, we can expect ClickUp AI to become even more sophisticated and helpful. So, is ClickUp an AI tool? Not entirely. But is it using AI to improve your productivity? Absolutely. And that's what really matters. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.